In the analog world, such as screen printing, film or foil transfer is used for decades already. In digital printing, film transfer is a pretty young discipline. In direct-to-garment mode, white is printed directly on the garment, followed by all colors on top of the white layer. In film transfer mode, the sequence is different. White is print on top of all colors and the image is mirrored, because film printing is an indirect printing process. Ricoh's interplay of software and hardware makes both function available, using one single device. Let's take a closer look.
This is the future.
First, the empty transfer film is mounted on the print table. Here it is important that the correct side is facing upwards. Simply fix the film to prevent any movement, and you are ready to go.
This is the future.
The white ink layer is printed on top of all colors.
Revolution.
It is slightly wet and ready to receive the glue in the next step. The amount of glue applied depends on different factors, such as the density of the white ink layer defined in the software and the drying time after the print. In Ricoh's Textile Competence Center, different combinations and materials are tested for all kinds of applications. Now the transfer film, with the colors underneath the white layer, and all covered with a thin layer of hot melt glue, is put in the oven. Let's take a look to our substrate. It is a dark synthetic fiber as used in the giant market of sportswear. The used fiber is made of 100% polyester. Now the final step, putting the final print on the substrate.
This is the future.
We are using a black sample here, because it's not easy to print and will not forgive any color variance or unevenness.
Revolution.
To produce the final product, a simple heat press is required. This is great news because the pre-produced transfer films can be stored for up to 1 year, and all you need to produce the final product is a heat press and a power supply.
Revolution.
A final check on the temperature to be sure that the image had transferred to the shirt. Then remove the transfer foil. That's it. As simple as that. Ricoh DTG printer, starting with the Ri1000, are offering 2 printing modes. From now on also film transfer printing and of course like before, direct-to-garment printing. 2 printing modes combined in one machine to serve the growing demand in the textile printing market. From Ricoh, for your success.